Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what was the product rule, beta? So when two functions are given in multiplication, then you have to apply product rule, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswant, kindly be on unmute, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you will interact, then only you can
Yeah, ma'am.
understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So first is product rule. So what was product rule? Suppose if you have given two functions, you have given y as a function of two functions. So this is your first function, this is your second function. Then how you will find the differentiation? You will do the differentiation of first function, then second function as it is, plus now you have done differentiation of first function, then it will be as it is, it will remain as it is, then do the differentiation of second function, right? So suppose, for example, for example, suppose just once we have to find differentiation of x sin x. We have to find derivative of x sin x. So here just one, we are having two functions, beta, x and sin x.
Yes, ma'am.
So x is your first function. This is your first function and this is your second function. So you will do differentiation like this. You will do the differentiation of first function first, then sin x as it is, beta, plus now we have done the differentiation of x first function, then you will do the differentiation of sin x. Right? Now differentiation of sin x is, beta,
Cos.
differentiation of x
Cos.
is 1.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Differentiation of x is 1. Yes,
1.
yesterday I have told you. So it will be 1.
1 plus sin
Then
x.
sin x plus. Now x as a differentiation of sin x will be cos
Cos x.
x. Right? So your answer will be sin x plus
1.
x cos. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now note it down it. The next question you will do.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Now next question is Dhanunjay. Find the derivative of dy by dx of x tan x. Try to solve. It is just like this question only.
Ma'am, 1 plus secant square x.
Uh, you are saying, just
No,
wait
ma'am.
up.
Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of tan x is secant square x.
Yes, just one.
Ma'am, derivative of x is 1 and tan x is secant square x.
Yes.
So,
Tell me the steps. First of all, we will write dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x, just one.
x, yes, ma'am. Then
Then
plus,
tan x as it is,
yes, ma'am.
plus. Now x as it is, then differentiation of tan x.
Tan x.
Have you written like this only?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now in next step, differentiation of x will be, tell,
1
1. Then multiply 10x plus x as it is, differentiation of 10x.
secant square x.
Secant square x. So our answer is dy by dx is equal to
Tan x
10x
plus secant
plus
square x.
x secant square x.
X.
Good, beta. Very good, this one. Okay, now next is, now suppose if you have given, screen is visible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
Now if you
visible.
have to differentiate the function with respect to x. So, see, you will write, let y is equal to sine x square plus 5. Right, beta? Before that, I want to explain you chain rule. What is your chain rule? Chain rule is basically, suppose you have given y is equal to u, u is equal to x, like this, right? So dy by du is equal to dy by dx is equal to du by dx, then du by dx. Let me explain this by example only then. Otherwise, you will be confused. Okay, see. See, beta. So, chain rule is basically used in this type of questions. So, you can let sine y is equal to sine u. I have supposed that u is equal to x square plus 5. Have you got it my point? Just one.
Yes, ma'am. Just yeah.
I have supposed this bracket function, right? As
Yeah.
u. Now, on the right hand side of this y function, we are having u. So, we will find dy by du, right? Then it will be, differentiation of sine will be cos u, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now, du by dx, because here on right hand side, x variable is written. So, you will differentiate it with respect to x is equal to, now power rule is there. So, when power rule is there, while finding this
Separately.
differentiation, it will be 2x, right, just one?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And differentiation of 5 will be constant term,
Ma'am, 0.
0, yes. Then du upon dx will be equal to 2x. Now see, we have to find dy by dx. And we have got only dy by du and du by dx. So what you will do, you will write dy by dx will be equal to dy by du dot du by dx. Because while cancelling this du with du, you will get dy by dx only,
Yeah.
right? But you will not cancel it. You will not show cancelling. Okay. So just put the value. So cos u, dy by du value is cos u. So you will write here cos u into
Into
2x.
2x.
Right? Now here we have a function cos u in terms of u, but we want our answer in terms of x. Right? So put the value of u. U is x square plus 5 into 2x. So 2x I will write before cos x square plus 5. Got it? Just one.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, you can find by using the chain rule. Now see, I can write, suppose y is a function of uv, then your chain rule will be dy by dx will be, suppose 3 are there, 3 things you have left. Then du by dv dot dv by dw dot dw by dx. Got it? If 3 functions are there,
Yeah,
I will explain this. Don't worry. Please note it down it, beta.
yeah, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see beta second question. In second question, also we will use the chain rule. See, in this first question also, you can do direct also. This question number 1, I am explaining this. See, we have given this function y is equal to sine x square plus 5. Right? So you can find the differentiation. Differentiation of sine will be beta cos. Right?
Yes,
Now
yes, ma'am.
here, your x function is not alone. It has 5 also. So you will find differentiation of x square plus 5 also. Okay. So you will write your answer as cos x square plus 5. Differentiation of x square is 2x. We have got the answer now, beta. So there are 2 methods by which you can find the derivative. Okay. Now see second
Okay.
question. In second question also, I will tell you both the methods. So first of all, let y is equal to cos sine x. Right? Now differentiate beta. So difference is different when you are differentiating. Differentiation of cos x will be,
Sine.
tell me, minus
Sine.
sine,
Minus sine x.
minus sine of sine x. Firstly, you will did this. Then
Minus 2x.
differentiation of
Minus 2.
sine x also. The function which is given inside the bracket. So it will be minus sine x and differentiation of sine is cos x. This is our answer. Just one understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Now second thing is, when we are using chain rule. Now by chain rule. So let y is equal to cos u you can let, and u is your sin x. Got it, just one? Just one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you will
Just
differentiate with
second.
respect to u, because on right hand side u is given. So dy by du will be equal to differentiation of cos x minus sin,
Minus sign.
right? Now tell me differentiation of this with a sin x differentiation.
Ma'am, cos x.
Yes, cos x. Now our next step will be, we have to find dy by
Divide.
dx.
Divide. Yes, yes.
So what you will write here? Dy by du dot
Into
du by dx,
du by d.
right? See, both the differentiation you will write, na beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now, dy by du is sin u. So you
Sin.
will write here sin u minus sin u. And differentiation of this dy dx is
Cos
cos
x.
x. So just write here cos x. Now your answer should be in terms of x only. So what is the value of u here? Sin
Sin x.
x. So just write
Yes, ma'am.
sin x minus sin x into cos x. So then, so just one, tell me better, have you understood both the methods?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly note it down it.
Okay. Ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now see beta, next question. Now try to solve this question, beta. Just one. Again, this is
Okay.
of chain rule only.
Okay. Ma'am, here u is ax plus b.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, by chain rule, we need to take two things.
Yes.
So u
Then
is
it will be y is equal to sine u.
okay. Why is it
Y is equal to sine u.
9
And u is equal to ax plus
x plus b?
Now differentiate it this one.
Sin u is cos u and
Yes. Good.
cos, and we need to substitute u.
Yes. Okay. dy by du is cos u, right? And then differentiation of this, beta. Ax plus b.
Ma'am, 1 plus
Beta, it will be a,
a,
na?
a, yeah,
Because differentiation of x is 1
a
and differentiation of b is
0.
0. So it will be 1a only. Suppose if you have given, you have to find differentiation of 2x. So what will the differentiation 2? Right?
2.
Suppose you have to find differentiation of 15x, then it will be
15.
15. Because this you can apply here
Yeah,
product rule. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So here a. Now next step will be just one.
Need to
dy
multiply.
by dx is equal to,
Mm-mm. The
tell
du
me,
by dx into
dy by du dot du by
dx.
dx. Right. Then dy by du is cos u
Cos u
and dy by
into
dx is a.
a
So you can write a before cos u. A cos u. Value of u is
x
ax
plus
plus b.
b.
Right? Have you got the same answer? Just one?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. Now with second method also we can calculate, right? So you can write y is equal to sine ax plus b. Now differentiate. Differentiation of sine will be cos ax
Cos,
plus b.
cos, yes,
And also
cos,
we have to find the differentiation of ax plus b, right?
yes, ma'am.
Because here x function is not alone, right?
It's
So
a
you will write cos ax plus b, differentiation of ax plus b is, here we have calculated what?
a
A. So you will write a before cos x. So it will be a cos
cos
ax
x
plus,
plus b.
this is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. And just once from tomorrow onwards, kindly join class on time. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you came late? You are
Ma'am,
getting
I
fed up
didn't say.
studying. Huh?
Actually, the school classes are also started. So,
Okay. So at what time you reach the school? Or you reach the
ma'am,
home?
no, it's school. Ma'am, no, it's in school only like online.
Okay. Written, beta?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now next question is, any idea this one?
Ma'am, for
Here you will
tan
use,
root x is
yes,
1 by 2. No, the differentiation of x here will be 1 by 2.
uh, x or root x, beta.
Yes, root x, ma'am.
See, differentiation of root x will be y is equal to root x, you can let, or you can write x to the power half, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will apply power rule. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 2 x to the power half minus 1. Right, beta?
Yeah, ma'am.
So x to the power after taking LCM, it will be minus half. So in denominator, you can write this power to make the its power positive. Right, this one? So it will be 1 upon 2 root x.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, you can use here chain rule. So you can write y is equal to sec u is equal to 10v, and v is equal to root x. Have you gotten my point? Because here
Ma'am.
are three functions, sec, tan, and root x. Right? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in next step, what you will do here? dy by du we will calculate. And differentiation of sec u. Tell me just one. What is the differentiation of sec u? It will be secant u into tan u. Okay. Then dy by du, dv.
Yeah.
Differentiation of tan will be secant square v.
Second.
Right. Then differentiation of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. This thing we have already calculated, right? So now we have to find dy by dx. So you will write all the functions here. Differentiation dy by du dot
dy
d by dv and dv by dx.
dx.
Now put the values. dy by du is sec
U,
u
u.
into tan u into secant square v into 1 upon 2 root x. Got it, beta, this one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now substitute the value of u. What is your u? 10v.
Tan b. Tan b.
Or you can write 10 sec. You will write 10 root x.
Tan root x.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 10. Again 10 root x. Then secant square b. You will write secant square root x. And then 1 upon 2 root x divided by 2 root x. This is the answer. Have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's become very complicated and at the end, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tomorrow we will do more questions, beta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now note it down it. Have you understood this one? Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, beta. Okay, good evening, beta. And I will share the homework. Few questions I will share only. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
And try to
Thank you.
solve. Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye,
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.